Good evening. I sincerely apologize for not being able to do a Facebook Live or an Instagram Live this morning talking about the flash flood warnings that we had earlier this morning or today. I ended up with a headache, which was the fun part, but it's better now, obviously. And what I did do was post the information about the flash flood warnings that were issued this morning. So hopefully Home Prayer one took the warning seriously and took action like they should. We're hope you'll be able to come over here at Layton Baptist Church this Sunday morning for praise band and choir practice at 8:15 and Sunday school at 9 o'clock and the service at 10 o'clock. And like I said, that'll be the only service we'll be having throughout the month of July. We're not having any evening services on Sunday nights throughout the month of July for either Sunday school class get together or spend time with family and etc. But in August, on August the 4th specifically, that's when we will be going back for our Sunday night services. So hope you can be there for that. Y'all have a good night. And if we don't have any more rain after this, we'll be having the heat behind the rain, obviously. And that means everybody needs to make sure you are staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. And if you're having to do anything outside, take plenty of breaks, please. Cannot emphasize that enough. But the last thing you want to deal with, or what you do not want to deal with, is a heat stroke or heat illness or anything like that. And please do not leave anybody in a vehicle. Keep that in mind right now, please. Y'all have a good night. Hope to see you Sunday morning at Layton Baptist Church, and hope to see you Saturday at 10:30 at McDonald's across from Waffle House on 43 in Tuscumbia. Y'all have a good night and be safe, and God bless.